fish on.
All right, John.
Just a little guy.
Well, chartreuse is certainly your color. Don't reel them all the way in. And head to me. Head to me. But you lead the head into the net, because when they go head in, they can't make a reverse.
Okay.
So, little male. Let me just move the boat here.
Great.
Good stuff. 95% of most bass food normally consists of frogs, minnows, crayfish, and large mayflies. Size does not seem to matter at times, as aggressive bass quite often attack large bait. Flies that are used to imitate these food sources are Clouser Minnows, Crayfish Patterns, poppers, and foam hex flies. Other generic flies you may wish to have in your box are strip leeches, woolly buggers, and deceivers. Whenever possible, obtain an example of the typical bait fish in the area and match with your artificial.